Welcome back to our video series. I'm going to talk about a new tool that we've just designed. It is called the Jelly Roll Sasher because we're finding there's so many people loving to do jelly roll rugs, there's so many people loving to make bag handles, the jelly roll bags, there's so many things you can do where we need to fold our fabric. This tool we've designed with a much wider opening here to allow us to put strips through that have batting or wadding already attached to them. So here we have a strip, a jelly roll out of one of our jelly rolls, and we've got the pre-cut batting. We're just going to lay the two together, and then I just simply fold in and in till it meets, and just press with the hot iron, just the first inch or two. That will set that in place. Now we can use the tool and put this into. So hold the tool by the handle, it doesn't matter what side you have up or down. Just simply go up and back down. Now I could continue to iron this. I could pin with the double fork pin. This is the pin we love to use. It's a twin pin joined together. We always recommend using these pins when you use the Sasher tools because each side of the pin goes into the fabric at the same time and it puts equal tension on both sides of the fabric. We could cup this up and we can push with the iron, and that will fold your strip in half, or into thirds, ready for you to do whatever you want with it. But if you're doing the jelly roll rugs and you just don't want to have to iron all the strips, because I know there is meters and meters or yards and yards of fabrics that you have to fold and press. But what I like to do is iron the first little bit, fold this over, and then go to your machine and start sewing. And as you're sewing, we're just going to pull this tool and that will fold our fabric in half. So we'll go to the machine and we'll start the sewing and we'll show you the process of moving this along.